So let's say um let me look for one of our design school. Okay, I've seen this was the last one we did. One of our design school design. So once you want to do a makeup, you need to have what you where the position you want to apply your makeup. You must have had it in mind. What do I mean? Let's say if you want to apply it on a billboard or a flyer or on a bus or a tote bag and whatever this way, which is like that. So let's open. So just open a blank page first. So a blank page. Let me change the color to white. So we're assuming we're starting on a fresh page. Then you click on. You go to apps. Apps. So under apps, just search for mockups. Mockups. So not there's so just mockups, not places mockup. So places mockup is what? Let's say you want to do. You have a shirt. Let's say you're someone that does you design shirts for people. So you've done your design and you want to place it on a shirt. So places mockup is very good for that one. So you can place your text on a mockup. So mockups, the first one, mockups. Under mockups. Now you can see that these mockups they are grouped to different places. We have videos, we have smartphones, we have prints, we have apparels, we have computers, we have frames, we have home and living where we have tote bags, we have packaging, we have outdoor for posters, we have graphics, we have tablets, we have watches, smart watches, whichever you desire to use. So let's try smartwatches for example. I pick on smartwatch. You just click on it. So once you've clicked on it, like saying insert your image. So let's say your image is your design, one of your designs. Let's say this design. Yeah, let me download it then. So download. I'll just download it quickly as a JPEG. Just as a JPEG. The current page. Download. So what you now do is after you've downloaded that, you will now upload it back. You upload the design back. So upload from device. So you choose where it has downloaded to. So once it's done downloading, click on it. Then you just drag it as if you are dragging around on the design. So just leave it on the mock-up rather. So just leave it for it to load, and voila, you can see that your design is on your smartwatch. So if you need to edit more, you can click on, if you click on edit, let's say you want it to fill in, to fit, to fill the old edges of the, but you might lose some details. So if you, let's look at what I'm saying. If you apply, you can see that you've lost some details of the, but it's still fine this way anyway. So that's mock-up. So there are a lot of mock-ups you can work with. Let me just show you some other mock-ups that are working. So you just play around with it, and um, even if it's a tote bag, so those, look, you can see on my leave, you can see a lot of tote bags here. Let's say you want to put it on a tote bag. Someone is carrying a tote bag for design. So let's say this, for example, as an example. So you click on it. So let me do this on a separate page. Copy. Let me move it to a separate page. Copy. Paste. Paste. So let me make it bigger. Let me delete this one on this previous page. So it's the same thing. You come to your upload and click on, once you click on it, just over it around on the, and it would uh, be added to your design. You can see that we now have our design school on a tote bag. Yeah, so that's how you do mock-up on Canva. So let me do one more with a flyer. So on that flyer, you have print. For you to say flyer, it's called to print. So since our flyer is a landscape flyer, so I can just pick this one. I say landscape portrait rather, since it's a portrait flyer. So I can pick one of this. So once I pick one of this, so let me come to upload. So I'll upload one of our the flyer designs that was done. Um, so just over on it and we leave it. So what is now left is how you can creatively apply some of these mockups. So that you don't just use them anyhow. So you have to know the ones that fit perfectly. You can see I've added this to a mockup. So someone's hand on it. So that's how you do mockup.
Another way to do
So the
mock-up.
website is DIY book cover. DIY do it yourself book covers.com. So once you get there, you can pick from whatever template you want, composite or single. So for composite, uh, so if you don't want to use spine for your book, You can pick the book that does not have spine. What do I mean? Like this first one has a spine. You can see a side. Second one has a spine. Second one does not have a spine. The third one does not have a spine. The fourth one does not have a spine. They have a spine. So let's use this one that does not have a spine. So I'll pick this. So after you select, you press next. You can see it's only asking me to upload one image. So browse. So I'll pick. Now you must have designed. This is for a book cover, so you must have designed to the size of a book size. So after you click on, you press upload. So it has uploaded it. So next. So you can download it as a PNG or a JPEG. PNG should not have a background. JPEG will have a background. So let's do PNG first. Download. So JPEG now. Download. So let's go and see what it looks like in our gallery. You can see very beautiful. We have it on a tab, on a phone, and on a book. We have it on a tab, on a phone, and on a book. I'll download all the designs we did today, the mock-up. So how do I download it? I need to note the page. They are on pages. They are from pages 5 to 8. So just click on this, download, JPEG, pages 5. I mean, so let me just uncheck. Okay, download. Let's see, download. So by the way, if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you are wrong. If you are yet to follow us on Instagram, you are wrong. So Triumph with Designs on all our pages. Yeah, so back to so once you download it, because you downloaded multiple, it will come as a zip file. So what you do is unzip it. Let me open it first. You open it with your file explorer, then you extract all. So now it's unzipped.